Hi, I'm Jeffrey Simon.
And howdy, I'm Mark Newberger.
We're the inventors of the original and patented vehicle seat gap filler drop stop. We're here today to show you how to install your very own drop stop in your vehicle. Mark is going to walk you through a very simple step-by-step installation process. So with no further delay, Mark, take it away.
Please step into my office. Now, the first and most important step to installing your drop stop, the number one step, is to put this seat back, this part of your seat, all the way back like this to where it's almost flat. If you don't do this, it makes it very difficult to install, and as you can see, it opens up the gap area and makes it very easy to get your hands down. Also notice I'm sitting in the opposite seat. If you sit in the same seat you're installing in, your butt's going to push that seat cushion up against the gap and make it also very difficult to install. Now, the next step is to use DropStop's patented seatbelt slot. Right here, it goes around the seatbelt just like this. So that's the first thing. You push your hands like this all the way down so you get it all the way to the bottom of that belt. Then, because DropStop's squishy and stretchy, you stretch it, you pull it tight all the way from the front like this, and while it's tight, you push it down like this and make it super streamlined. Push it down in the back, put the seat back up, and just like that, in seconds, you're never dropping anything again, and it moves back and forth with your seat because it's always attached to that belt.
Thank you so much for your support, and remember, don't drop and drive.